Bhuvaneshwar. He is figuring now in lane number 6. Yes, that is Santosh.
So this is the first of the heats. The all-time Republic of South Africa, Wade van Niekerk, 43.03. But short of that, it's been the United States and the Great Britain boys. Michael Johnson, 43.18. Butch Reynolds, way back, 43.29. Quincy Hall, 43.40. A Great Britain boy, Matt Hudson-Smith, 43.44. The South Africans seem to be doing well in the 400 meters with the best in 2025, 43.76 through Zakiti Nini of South Africa. But now it's time for the Indians here in the interstate. Late start for 3 and 2. Ashish Fogart and Prakarsh Sharma. Watch TK Vishal and Santosh going through to form. At the back straight, Vishal takes the lead. Although that's not the area where the 400 decides, it's around the bend that we get an indication of who's gone into that lead. Vishal TK and Santosh TK, the two favorites out here. That's the way it might perhaps happen. TK Vishal is in fine form. Santosh pushing him there in 6. But the tall, lanky lad in 5. TK Vishal, Santosh, a lag behind, takes the second and qualifies for the final as expected to perform. Santosh 46.19 and Harsh Kumar 47.
We are about to take up the second heat in a short time from now.
So lane number 6, oh, he's there. Rajesh Ramesh, the member of the 4x400 meters national team at the World Championships in Budapest. In fact, he was the boy, lane 6, who got the better of the American in the semi-finals. The Americans were all surprised. Rajesh Ramesh, I was told, is not taking part, but he's there. So Manish Kumar, Nihal Joy, Vikrant Panchal, Rajesh Ramesh, Dharamveer Chaudhary and Brijesh Singh setting off now here on this one lap. Are they going to look at TK Vishal's timing of 45.78 at the back straight? Rajesh Ramesh will get all his experience into play. Likewise, Dharamveer Chaudhary in 7 and Vikrant Panchal in 5. That's the way this pattern might be. 4, 5 and 6 or 5, 6 and 7. Rajesh Ramesh pushing himself. So too is Dharamveer Chaudhary in lane number 7. As they now come into the home straight. This is close. This is absolutely close. Ramesh goes in front now. Looks over his shoulder. He knows it's his turn in 6. Rajesh Ramesh, Vikrant Panchal. So exactly as I said, 5, 6 and 7. And that's the way they seem to have finished. But Rajesh Ramesh with 46.59. How does he look compared to TK Vishings in the two respective heats? This is heat 3. This of course is the semi-final. Taking off now. Yes. Good start for Amod Jacob. He was quick off the blocks there. In 5. That's the tempo, that's the experience which he will keep himself in play. Remember, the 400 meters has to be run in the respective lanes all through. Unlike the 800, he's lagging behind. I can see Astik Pradhan in 6 there. We got a surprise perhaps with A. Suraj. And here comes Amod Jacob now at the 100 meters. You know, champions, they can take off their sheen, but the champions always are champions. And Amod Jacob wins by a fair distance in the third heat out here. 46.11 for Amod Jacob. We'll have to wait because obviously the next 2 and 3 Muthu seem to be nowhere close. There you are, nowhere close.
Astik Pradhan of Odisha finishing second for 47.